This is the new Metabo HPT 18 volt cordless 5-inch orbital sander. I like it. Some pros are all the batteries fit on it, which is awesome. I mean, per usual with all their stuff. With the bigger battery, it does get a little wobbly, but that's okay. I'm going to keep this one on there. I'm not a huge fan of the bag. It works, it's functional, but you do have to slip this on and off to empty the dust out, which I don't like. Maybe I'm just lazy. I don't know. So far so good though. I'll try it out. Yeah, it does come with 2 different accessories for dust collection, which is cool. I don't know, overall, it's a pretty cool sander. I do wish the handhold was a little smaller maybe. Maybe I have small hands, I don't know. But it's pretty good, gets the job done. Obviously cordless, so you can take it anywhere. Yeah, I like it. Pretty cool.